Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and zip files on your TCL 306 using app called Rar. So in order to do that, first locate the file that you want to unpack, and mine is located in DCIM and then camera. You can see pictures that were. Now in order to unpack it, simply press on it. If it's protected by password, it may ask you for it, so let's enter the password and then press OK. In order to unpack these two pictures that we have here, we'll need to select them, or if you want to unpack everything, simply press this button and you will unpack everything. Now press on the browse and choose the destination where the file will be unpacked, and I'm going for movies. From here you can also change ask before overwrite, overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. You can keep broken files, do not extract paths, or disable or enable display extracted files. After setting everything, you can press OK and the files will be unpacked. Now let's move to the movies. And we can see these two photos right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.